Namaskar. I welcome you all on my channel, and in this video we will talk about how to connect Google Drive dataset to Google Colab. The previous video, what we have done, we have connected Kaggle dataset to our Google Colab, but what was the problem? While we terminate our session, we have to repeat the process. While connecting Google Drive, we have to just go to runtime and run all commands, and it will execute all the set of commands and re-upload the dataset. So how it can be done? So basically, first of all, we have to click on this mount the drive. After mounting that drive, we will get this command. While we run it, our drive will be connected, and we will get drive option in our sidebar. So let us see the process of doing it. So first of all, we have to download the dataset. So I will click on it, and it will take me to the page of the Google Colab where dataset is already present. So I have to click on the download button, and it will download the dataset. I have already downloaded it, and while you click, it will give you the CSV file. You have to click you have to pick it and drop it on your Google Drive location where you want to store that. Now after uploading that dataset, you have to go to the location. There is a 3 button, and I will click on it, and it will give me path. I have to click that, copy that path. So and I have to load at ligit pd._csv, and I have to paste the link of the drive. So before doing that, I have to import the pandas library as well. So I will import library pandas spd. So after importing, while I will run this command, what I am getting UTF-8 error. Basically, this may be due to the mismatch of some data values. So how to how to terminate this error? Basically, we will rerun this command with a certain ignore parameter, that is encoding error. We have to ignore the encoding error in order to load our dataset to our object. After loading our dataset to our object, we will display it. So in this video, our dataset is the same which we have used in the previous video. So our dataset has 37 columns and 38,480 rows. After we have to take overview of the dataset. So I will not rerun those commands which have been used in the previous video. If you are interested, you can watch my previous video. We will go with the null value employee length column as 993 null values. So after going down the track, we will see how many unique items present in each column. So data set.nunique command will give number of unique items in each column. ID has 38,480 and term has only 2 unique items. Maybe it is a true or false column or 0 1 type column, or binary, you can say it is a boolean type column. If we want to get unique values of each column in series, we will put parenthesis in front of the unique. So after running in for loop, this ilog function will take the position of the each column. Basically, this command will work on all the CSV file. So it is independent of name, so it will run throughout the length of the dataset column wise. So it will print all the column values basically. And if we want to print our unique values in form of data frame, we will remove the parenthesis in unique in the third, and it will print all the column. In the upcoming video, we will develop a function which can give a basic overview of our dataset after running a function only. So let us meet in the next video. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe if you like my content. Thank you.